heart is down. Your dream, no request is too extreme. When you wish upon the stars, dreamers down, down.
Good morning, everyone. I look super white. As you can tell, we're going to Blizzard Beach today. Say hi, Haley.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm really excited because I've never been to the water parks and neither has she. She did my hair all cute and such. I've never done my hair like this either. Today's just a day of firsts. Dale, Haley, dale. I feel super like, I don't know, cool with these little braids. Ready? It's super hot. No, it's not hot actually. It's actually really cold. These people probably think I'm weird for vlogging, but it's a... This water slide here is like an 80-foot drop. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm not doing that. Heck no. I'm a little chicken. I was so scared on Space Mountain, I was literally holding Matt's hand the whole time. I honestly don't think I could ever do this by myself. My swimsuit would fly straight off. That's super scary.
This is so cool.
We're on the ski lift. I'm really scared I'm gonna drop my phone. I like have major anxiety right now, actually. Just here at the little kids park.
We're in the kiddie area.
We're in the kiddie area. Literally all there are like toddlers, and I don't think I've gotten a tan today, so I'm a little disappointed. But it's super cute. I like this place. It has been a good day so far. I'm eating a pepperoni flatbread and Haley has one too. We're just chilling right now. It's really not that hot today, so I'm a little disappointed. But it's still been a pretty good day. How do you feel, Haley?
Good. It's hot.
It's not that hot. I'm actually a little tired right now. But it's not hot.
Well, I think it's hot. So.
Good day, good food, great friend. I'm so happy. Haley, how was your day today here at Blizzard Beach?
It was great. I like Blizzard Beach.
Oh, I got so close to you.
It's fun to do, like, when you live here, but I don't think I would, like, use a day of vacation for it.
No,
like,
I wouldn't
fun,
either.
But I wouldn't use a day of vacation.
Like if I was here on vacation, like I probably wouldn't come. Just because, I mean, usually the resorts have pools and it's, I mean, yeah, they don't have slides or whatever, fun, but...
The slides, like, I mean, we didn't really do the slides though, like, there wasn't anything that was like,
really,
oh my gosh,
yeah.
I have to go ride it. Like,
Summit Plummet is probably like the biggest slide here, and I'm too much of a chicken to go on that, so I would never. But I think all the other slides were just really small and, I don't want to say boring, but they weren't
I had the most
up to par.
Like, kid slide, so, I mean, like...
It was still overall a very good day.
Yeah, it was fun. I enjoyed it. I'm glad we did this.
I'm exhausted now, so I'm gonna go take a nap. So this place is absolutely gorgeous. I have never been to the boardwalk before. Makes me feel like I'm in, I don't know, where's there like a boardwalk? Where's there like a boardwalk?
Jersey Shore!
Oh yeah!
Where's the beach?
Where's the beach? Tell me why I didn't know that there was a boardwalk in Jersey. I don't know, I'm like the #1 Jersey Shore fan.
I'm a good person.
Oh my gosh, I'm loving it here. It's so pretty. Thank you, Haley, for taking me here.
You're welcome.
We're on a date because our
boyfriends are at home and we miss them, so we have to take each other on dates.
Hey, that's fine with me. But no, it's not fine with me because I have to pay. It's okay. So the whole reason we're actually here at the boardwalk is because Haley made reservations for us at Garden Grill, and Garden Grill is a restaurant in Epcot. So you can actually get to Epcot from the boardwalk. I didn't know that until today. I think that's pretty cool. But our boat just left, so we're just waiting in line. You know, wasting time. Yeah, but I'm excited. How are you?
Hi, Dale.
Recording, so it's a video.
Yay, you're so cute. Aw. Oh, thank you.
Hello. Look, let's see. Oh, Mickey is my boss. Yep. Haley and I went to town on this food.
Thank you.
I was starving. I am so hungry still. They just brought up.
They have sweet tea here.
See, okay. I am the only Texan that does not like sweet tea. Haley's looking at me like, but I don't know what it is. I don't like it. It doesn't taste like anything to me. And yeah.
It tastes like Georgia.
It tastes like Georgia. Well, yeah. I don't know. I just don't like it. But I like all this food. It's Haley's first time being here at my work eating, right? Or have you eaten here before?
We stay here, like, a lot. So.
Oh, just kidding. Well.
It's my first time here with you.
Yeah, it's our first time eating here together. It's my first time eating here like as a guest, because every time I eat here, I'm always working. So yeah, I got a sausage pepperoni flatbread with no sausage or onions because I don't like the way that they taste. They're caramelized onions and they're very sweet, so I don't like them.
So you got a pepperoni flatbread.
I got a pepperoni.
Literally on the menu as a pepperoni flatbread. So
no, there's a pepperoni flatbread, but that comes with like the cheese. This one comes with an herb spread and some goat cheese. It's different. It's really different. It's a lot better. I just don't like the sausage or the onions. So Haley's judging me. It's okay.
It comes with an herb spread.
It comes with an herb spread, so I'm really excited about that. I also got a Mickey sugar cookie, and I want to show it to y'all.
I'm gonna get dessert in Magic Kingdom.
It broke. But it's really good. My favorite. I'm a carb. Alright, y'all. So here's my pizza. It has a little herb spread on it. And then there's chives, goat cheese, and pepperoni. Looks so much better without the sausage and the onions. And then Haley over here got chicken and waffles. Mickey waffles.
They have Mickey waffles.
It makes my heart happy. Yay!
Under Deco Wood, the East Wind traded places with the West Wind. If you ask me, we'll never reach that day.
This makes me so happy. You can't even see me. Oh, hi, there I am.
My favorite.
Who is my favorite character of all time? So I walked into the Winnie the Pooh store and I got this cute little pin. This is Winnie the Pooh on it. Haley doesn't really care, but
I didn't get anything.
I'm just super excited. So I'm here eating at work on my day off. I'm always at work, even when I'm off. And I'm super excited because I got the pulled pork and I've been wanting to try this since I started working here. So I'm here with Dora. Hello. But yeah, so Dora's gonna document me taking my first bite. I'm so excited.
I'm excited for you.
Like this just looks like home. Okay.
It does.
Okay, let's see, where do I bite?
Yes? No? How do it feel? Is it Texas enough for you?
It's good.
It's actually good? Good.
I like it.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm very happy.
Stamp of approval from an actual Texan?
Yay! Yeah. I guess it's like a close second.
A close second. Two?
To what?
Like a close second.
Like a close second. Rudy's pulled pork.
Ooh, that's
I like
good.
Rudy's.
Yeah.
Rudy's is bomb.
Yes, it is.
Is Rudy's just in Texas, do you think?
I don't know. I've never seen it anywhere else though.
Yeah, so it probably is. So y'all need to go to Texas.
Get an actual pulled pork.
Yes.
Approved of.
Yes.
I think we're good.
It's mine and Dora's first time watching the Festival of Fantasy.
Yes.
It's super cute. It's all the cast members.
I don't even know where to like begin.
Dora's getting a Dole Whip, and it's her first time.
I'm excited. It's so good.
It is, right?
Yeah.
I love it.
I can't.
Your choice was right. No chance to leave it out. I swear none. The one to lead you back. It's yours to find. It's all you've ever done. You're falling now. You're falling back to us. Your choice was right. No chance to leave it out. I swear none. The one to lead you back. It's yours to find. It's all you've ever done. You're falling now. You're falling back to us.
This place is absolutely beautiful. I'm having such a good time with all my new little friends. And yeah, there's Sophie. Run, Sophie, run. So I'm not really like posing and it's a video. Oh, but look, on the little thing it says YouTube. So I'm gonna put hashtag CMA inspired. Honestly, I wish I could just live here forever. But
You want a picture?
no, I'm recording myself. Do you want to be in it?
Sure.
What's the best part about today?
The best part about today was the sea otters.
They were so
Or
cute.
the river otters.
I loved them. They're like
so
little
cute.
dogs.
Flopping around.
I'm gonna put my finger in